Okay, welcome back to List Building for Affiliate Marketers. And in this video, we're going to be discussing the next step, which is really we're still in step one where we're finding the right product. We're going to take a look at a different marketplace this time. Now, we are going to be using the Tao of Badass in our example. However, you might want to find a product for yourself to promote, or you might want to operate in a different market. If you are looking at a market that is business oriented or internet marketing oriented, you may want to look at the Jvzoo marketplace. We're going to take a look at that in a minute, and you can find products there that will probably suit your needs. Now, the products are going to be lower in value on average than the ClickBank marketplace, probably 10 on the low end, $97 on the high end on average. And what you will be doing is you will be looking at products that are going to require the affiliate to approve you. It won't be like ClickBank. So you will not want to start the day of an affiliate launch. You won't want to start on the day of anything. You want to work ahead of time, and you want to get a little lead time, because sometimes the approval process might take some time to execute. You might need to get to know the marketer first in order to get them to approve you. So let's take a look at the Jvzoo marketplace. Okay, we are now inside of the Jvzoo marketplace, and you will be able to just go to the place inside of Jvzoo. You'll have to set up an account, obviously. Now, I've already got an account set up with them. You'll have to set one up yourself, but setting an account up is free. And what you'll do is you're going to go to the affiliate section and you're going to click find products. It's going to bring you to the page that you're looking at right here. And what you want to do is you want to sort by different areas so you can see which one you might want to look at. If you want to find out what's launching next, you're going to want to click the launch button, and this will give you all of the products that are going to be launching next. And then what you may want to do is if you want to promote a product that you're going to be involved in the launch, or you might want to get to know the product owner, you can do that by contacting them there. Or if you want to promote a product that has already been launched, then you can find one in here and you can promote it. And for the most part, all you're really going to do is you're going to click the request button, and then the affiliate or the product creator is going to get an email, and they're going to decide on whether or not to approve you or not. You might be required to send in some information or let them know exactly how it is you're going to promote, and it's probably a good idea for you to tell them when you're making the application. Okay, so that's pretty much the Jvzoo marketplace. Once again, you can find a product there that is oriented toward internet marketing or offline marketing. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.